Three people have died and two remain missing after a rare hurricane-like storm swept across Greece, flooding streets and homes and cutting power. Hundreds of people became trapped as Cyclone Lanos, known as medicane, hit areas north of Athens before heading south. Train services linking the north and south of the country were cut off. Prime Minister Kyriakos has pledged that all the affected areas will have immediate help. As Lanos churned eastwards overnight Friday and into Saturday, the city of Karditsa was lashed by winds of up to 120 km per hour. That brought down power lines and triggered landslides. About 5,000 homes in the city were reportedly affected by flooding, while roads were also damaged. Mediterranean cyclones or hurricanes have tropical characteristics, like those in the Atlantic, but they often have a smaller volume and are less intense. TV images showed that the Greece people were dealing with a total catastrophe.